Greetings everyone. Today I, Komal from 10th standard, standing here to deliver my PPT on the topic election. Content: election meaning, needs and importance of election, types of election, kinds of election, advantages and disadvantages of direct election and indirect election, Election Commission of India, election procedure and conduct of election, results of 18th Lok Sabha election, Haryana Vidhan Sabha election. Here is election voting lines. Election meaning. In simple words, election is a procedure in which people can vote their representative to run the government. Next. Need and importance of election. Best way to choose representative. Types of election. There are three types of election. First, general election. To elect the Lok Sabha member are dissolved before the term of 5 years. Third one is by-election. The members of state legislative assemblies in center or state may fall vacant on the account of their death and disqualification before the end of the term. Next. Kind of election. There are two kinds of election, direct election and indirect election. Direct election. People vote directly. They are only every adult citizen have the right to vote. Members of Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha are directly elected. Next, indirect election. People elect their representatives and the elected representative elect the member. Every elected representative has the right to vote. People of Vidhan Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President are elected directly. Advantages and disadvantages of direct election. Advantages. In direct election, people take interest in elections. Disadvantages. Masses may get influenced or we may reject someone who has a better ability. Next. Advantages and disadvantages of indirect election. Advantages. It is perfect for large constituencies with a number of peoples. It can save money and energy. Disadvantages. It may lead to evil practices such as bribery. Bribery means rishwat, as electors are very few in numbers. Next. Election Commission of India. Composition. It is headed by Chief Election Commissioner CEC. CEC is the head of the Election Commission. At present, it is 3-membered body. Appointment. The Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners were appointed by President. Conduct of election. First, announcement of election, nomination, scrutiny of nominations, publication of list and election campaign, the poll, counting of voters and declaring results. Next. Here is the process of election in India. Next. Result of 18th Lok Sabha election. 18th Lok Sabha election was conducted on 4th June 2024. On June 7, Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi swear as an 14th Prime Minister of India. Speaker Om Birla, Deputy Speaker vacant. Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi. Next. Haryana Vidhan Sabha election. Election Commission decided to conduct 15th Haryana Vidhan Sabha election with 19 seats on 5th October 2024 and the result was declared on 8th October 2024. Parties in Haryana elections are Bharatiya Janata Party, Indian National Congress and few others. There is a short view of elections procedure, 3 types basis. Now our 11th CM of Haryana is Nayab Singh Saini. He took oath on 17th October as CM of Haryana with 13 ministers as Chandigarh. Thank you for giving me your precious time.